I've been wanting to get a set of tools for the field. Yeah, I believe these are going to do the trick. So, we've got strippers. Nice. Going to work just great. Got cutters. I have a set of these already. They're great. I like to use tweezers as well, but these are great for holding on to the nuts. Hard to stuff. Phillips head. .5 hex. Normal screwdriver. Good stuff. .2 mil hex. 5.5 box. .4 box. And a 1.5 hex, which I don't have. This is going to be kind of nice. So it comes in a nice case. Quality is nice. This is going to be great for the field. I'm pretty psyched about it.